Hello friends, we all know that diamond is the very beautiful and costly things on the earth, and we also know that diamond is very hard, but why? Why diamond is very hard? To know the answer of this question, first of all we should know the formation process of diamond. Diamonds are formed deep within the earth about 100 miles. Obviously in that part of the earth it's very hot. There's a lot of pressure, the weight of the overlying rock bearing down, so that combination of high temperature and high pressure is what's necessary to grow diamond crystals in the earth. As far as we know, all diamonds that formed in the earth formed under those kinds of conditions, and, of course, that's a part of the earth we can't directly sample. We don't have any way of drilling to that depth or any other way of traveling down to the upper mantle of the earth. So now we know that. How do diamonds travel to the surface of the earth? The diamonds that we see at the surface are ones then that are brought to the surface by a very volcanic eruption. It's a very special kind of eruption, thought to be quite violent, that occurred a long time ago in the Earth's history. We haven't seen such eruptions in recent times. These eruptions then carried the already formed diamonds from the upper mantle to the surface of the Earth. So now we know that. What is carbon's role in forming diamonds? Diamonds are made of carbon, so they form as carbon atoms under a high temperature and pressure. They bond together to start growing crystals. Because of the temperature and pressure, under these conditions, carbon atoms will bond to each other in this very strong type of bonding where each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms. That's why a diamond is such a hard material, because you have each carbon atom participating in 4 of these very strong covalent bonds that form between carbon atoms. So as a result you get this hard material. Again, where the carbon? We really don't know how long it takes. It may be that diamonds form over periods as short a time as days, weeks, months to millions of years. We can grow diamonds in the lab and we can simulate conditions there. But there are things we have to do to grow diamonds in the laboratory that aren't obvious as to how it happens in the earth. A diamond can only be scratched by another diamond, and they are the hardest natural substance ever known. About 250 tons of earth is mined to produce a single 1-carat diamond. The biggest diamond ever discovered was called Cullinan diamond, that weighed 3,106 carats. This amazing piece was discovered in South Africa in the year 1905. This diamond was cut into 9 large diamonds, from which 3 are still displayed in the Tower of London as a part of the crown jewelry. About 80% of diamonds go towards industrial use. Diamonds are nearly 100% carbon and are made up of a single element. The diamonds that we see today were formed due to immense heat and pressure below the Earth's surface. So friends, now you must have better understood that why this occur. We hope that you have learned something new from this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.